That is the commitment the president has for security for this country, and those are the orders the president has given to his ministers on delivery of key result areas. And on matters of security, I want to thank the president and the minister for interior, indeed the county commissioner, for rising up to the occasion. This place was becoming a black spot, but it is getting contained. Na sisi kama wananchi, let us mention people who look suspicious around our compounds, around our villages, around our shops, because these guys are going to attack you and it will be too late. Let us take our security very seriously, and that is why I have no hesitation in commending the Minister of Interior, and of course I'm also celebrating that we have very own Dr. Machogu in the docket of education. We have tried to persuade him to look for a way to do an affirmative action to make our schools catch up, because our schools are indeed poor in infrastructure. It is on that note that I want to thank His Excellency the President for helping us unlock 1.8 billion shillings for developing infrastructure ya shule in Nyamira County. This was a grant from the government of Kuwait, and the 1.8 billion is supposed to hit the ground anytime now. All the tendering processes are over. The contractors have been awarded. We are getting for a suitable date for His Excellency the President to come down and launch that program. And it is going to support schools in virtually the entire county of Nyamira. In West Mogirango constituency, we have 130 million initial money coming to touch the various schools that we have in the constituency. I'm not the one who selected which schools that are going to benefit, because this is a program that started in the year 202. It's a long time project, but I want to thank His Excellency the President for rising to the occasion and making all barriers to this money go down, and we are therefore ready to go. Mutasikia siku rais atakuja kuzindua rasmi hiyo mipango ya maendeleo. And I equally want to thank His Excellency the President when he called me 2 weeks ago to ask what road projects are suffering in my constituency. And when I told him, I am sure you have seen the contractor back on the tarmac road that was being done by Kenya Urban Rural Authority. Wameanza hiyo barabara ya kwenda Senator, barabara ya Shibuli, tunasukuma hata barabara ingine itatoka huko Gesieri, pite hapa chini, iende mpaka Nyaramba, mahali panaitwa Yaya Center. Because we want to blacken the roads within our municipality to make them all weather, because hii maneno ya maram inapelekwa na mvua kila wakati. And therefore, when the President is coming, I will invite you principals to bring these angels and these academic warriors of mine to come and thank the President, because he's coming to launch a program to put our school infrastructure where they belong. As I said, I therefore want to request those people who have been posted to be in charge of rural roads in Nyamira South Sub-County. Watu wameajiriwa na kera. Mimi nataka kuwatangazia maneno yetu ya West Mogirango tunazindua hadharani namna hii. Si ni basi tunazindua hadharani. Ushawahi kusikia kuna barabara tumewaita kulaunch ati barabara inaanza kujengwa? Mmesikia barabara tumeitana tuangalie tukianza kulaunch, lakini pesa yetu imeenda. Kuna barabara mmesikia West Mogirango tumeita watu, barabara imetengenezwa, kuja sasa tu commission hiyo barabara. Hakuna barabara hata moja. And when I am saying there's nonsense going on under Kera, I mean what I'm saying. Hatutaki barabara zinatengenezwa chini, we don't know where, we don't know what is being done, we don't know by who. Vitu zetu zinafanywa mchana, tuitwe tuambiwe mwaka huu tunatengeneza barabara hii na pesa hii, kujeni tuanzishe, utuonyeshe ni nini nafanywa kwa hiyo barabara na ni nani anafanya ndiye ajiri watoto wetu. Ya. Usema ne mutaya David ndo bino mina wako huo nochi ga ngabo tukwaba bataruchi. Yeah. And I want to tell the Director General, he is trying to avoid me. You can't tell me that your engineer is sick when I'm seeking accountability, but he is not sick when he is stealing our money. Yeah? You can't be sick when the money is going. You can't be well when the money is being signed out, but you are sick. Wakati mjumba anauliza pesa ya barabara imefanya nini, kuja tuone, onyeshe wenyewe pesa yao imefanya nini. And I'm not relenting on this. Waziri Murkomen, President of this Republic, West Mogirango is a constituency in the Republic of Kenya. Pesa yao so far more than 120 million. Mimi mjumbe siwezi kuja niwaambie hii pesa imefanya hii na imefanya ile. And as long as people are here doing monkey business, na nimewaambia tutakuja na futi tupime hiyo barabara. We know the standard width of a road. Barabara za hii constituency gari haziwezi kupitana. Lakini pesa imetolewa ni ya full road, full width. And that way, this area will never develop if we allow this nonsense to continue forever. Yeah. So mkisikia saa ingine tunachukua sura mbaya, it is because I want things to be done right. Hawa ni watoto tuko nao, tunawafundisha how to be ethical, how to do things transparently, how to be accountable. And we cannot therefore be leaders of these children when we are doing stupid things. Zenye zinafanya barabara, zinaangusha wamama na bodaboda wamevunjika, wamama wamepelekwa Tenwek, sasa mjumba anatafutwa, bill ya Tenwek, bill ya Moi referrals. I am tired. I am not going to allow this shit to continue here anymore. And that is why I am saying let us purpose that when we do exams this year, pesa zetu za barabara ziwe zimetengeneza barabara kwenda kila shule, so that I don't want a situation where because of a bad road, examination papers are delayed from a certain examination center kufika 10th. Alafu waanze kutubandika hizo karatasi zilikuwa zikifanyiwa hivi, alafu watoto wetu waharibiwe matokeo yao ya mtihani. Because that is where they are driving us. Yeah? And I will not allow anything to stand on the way of getting these children their correct grades. Yeah? Hiyo hatutakubaliana. Yeah. Na mkisikia mimi nikitana kala kwa hiyo, mtu shauri yake. Yeah. I'm a Kenyan, I pay my taxes. The money allocated to West Mogirango for roads must be accounted for publicly. Si kwa watu wachache wanaenda huko ati wamefanya wamesaini pesa imeenda, barabara hatuna, watu wanaendelea kulia. Sio hiyo tulikuwa. I was just getting mad because just imagine we do